What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you a simple Asana workflow and how it works. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's have it. Creating a workflow in Asana streamlines task management and enhances team collaboration. This video guides you through setting up a project, defining workflow stages, adding tasks, and automating processes. By organizing your workflow visually and efficiently, you can improve accountability and ensure everyone is aligned on project goals. Let's dive into building your Asana workflow. So first, you need to log into your Asana account. Now, once you're in your account, you can go ahead and click on the create icon and click on project. Now, you can use a template if you want to start with predefined structures, but for this video, we are going to go ahead and use blank project. So here you can give your project a name. So I will just name this one sample project. And after that, you can choose your default view. So you have a list. You can also use board, or you can also use timeline, or you can also use calendar. Now for this one, I will just choose list and let's click on create project. Now after that, you will see a list. So from this one, click on board. Now in here, you can add sections to your workflow. Now, sections are stages of your workflow. So say, for example, here, let's say we can name this one as new project. And then you can add another section that says in, let's say, for example, in progress. And you can add another section that says in review, for example. And you can add another one, for example, let's say this is approved. Okay. Now, after you create your sections or stages, you can go ahead and add tasks in them. So say, for example, let's start with a new project. So the first task would be, let's say, for example, create a video. Now for this one, you can add people or team members to this task. You can click on this icon here to assign this to your team or team members. So let's click on this one, and I will just choose my name. And you can also add a due date by clicking on the calendar icon right here. And let's just choose random dates here, for example, this one. All right, now there is a task created under this section. Now, for example, if I am done with this task, I will just move it here in progress. And once it's done in here, I can drag this and move it to review, and once it's reviewed, I can move it by dragging it to approved, and when it's approved, it is all done. So this is a basic workflow in Asana. Now you can enhance your workflow by setting up automation rules. So go ahead and click on workflow in here. So let's just skip the first part here. And here, this is your first section or your first stage, new project. So if you want your new project to automatically be moved to the next stage, which is in progress, we can add a trigger to that. So here you can click on add trigger. And for this one, for example, let's choose this one, task is assigned. So what happens is when the task is assigned to somebody in your team, this task will be automatically added to the next section, which is in progress. Now, once you're done with setting up your workflow, you can go ahead and click on share. And you can send this project to your project members by entering their names or email address. You can also click on copy link and send them via direct messages. By following these steps, you can create an effective workflow in Asana that enhances collaboration and productivity within your team. Utilize Asana's features like automation and templates to further streamline your process. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.